Okay, so the second thing that we want to do is make a bar chart. So you'll have to go into your Excel spreadsheet, go down the bottom here to where it says bar chart. I've already got some data in here, but this data needs to look the exact same as what it had for a pie chart. So if you remember, we needed categories. So a set of categories, they should just be words, and then numbers next to those categories. So bar chart's just going to look the same. You select just the data, the categories, and the numbers. Then you go Insert. You want to pick this top left one here. We actually want a column chart. So bar charts are sort of sideways, column charts are vertical bars. These are horizontal bars. So we want actually a column chart. So this first one's great. Remember to always change the title to something appropriate as well. In this case, maybe what type of bike do you ride?